Still cramming vocabulary and forgetting it in the exam? Let's prepare from CSS past papers of English Pressy and Composition for CSS 2027 and upcoming BS 17 and BS 18 tests. No rote learning, just simple meanings, quick memory tricks, and smart associations that actually stick. Let's make vocabulary easy. The synonym of enigma is conundrum. Other English meanings are mystery, puzzle, riddle, problem. Urdu meanings are muamma, raz, paheli. To memorize the word, imagine a locked box with a big question mark on it. That's an enigma. The synonym of hackneyed is cliché. The English meanings are overused, lacking originality, and tried. Urdu meanings are किस्सा पिटा, पुराना, बार बार इस्तेमाल होने वाला. To memorize this, learn the story that there is an uncle who keeps telling the same old jokes at every family dinner. Everyone is tired of hearing the same things again and again. His jokes are hackneyed. The synonym of panacea is Alexa. In English meanings are a cure for all diseases or problems and universal remedy. Urdu meanings हर मुश्किल या बीमारी की दवा, हर मसले का हल. To memorize this, imagine a magical bottle that cures every pain, every disease, every problem. That magical cure-all is panacea. The synonym of cajole is persuade or lure. English meaning is to persuade someone to do something by using flattery or gentle urging. Urdu meaning किसी को बातों या खुशामद से राज़ी करना. To memorize this, imagine a sweet talker with a cajole juice in his mouth, trying to charm you again and again. That smooth talk is cajole. The synonym of inscrutable is mysterious. The English meaning is impossible to understand, hard to read or interpret. Urdu meaning नाकाबिल फ़हम, समझ से बाहर. To memorize this, imagine a locked box with no key and you cannot know what is inside. That is inscrutable. The synonym of reverie is daydream. English meaning a state of being pleasurably lost in thought. Daydreaming. उर्दू मीनिंग ख्वाबों में खो जाना, ख्यालों में गुम रहना. To memorize this, imagine your mind floating on a cloud, wandering in a happy daydream. That peaceful dreaming is reverie. The synonym for sumptuous is luxurious. English meaning extremely rich, luxurious and beautiful, showing great comfort and wealth. उर्दू मीनिंग शानदार, पुरताइश, ऐशो आराम से भरपूर. To memorize this, imagine a royal feast. Soft lights, rich wood, elegant decor, silk everywhere. Everything looks and feels extremely rich and luxurious. That feeling is sumptuous. The synonym of appall is dismay. English meaning to shock or horrify someone very much. Urdu meaning बहुत ज़्यादा खौफज़दा या दहला देना. To memorize this, imagine you walk into a room and see something so shocking and so horrible that your heart drops and you feel disturbed. That feeling is appall. The synonym of abject is despondent. English meaning extremely miserable and hopeless. Urdu meaning शदीद अफसरदा, मायूस और बेबस. To memorize it, imagine your best friend didn't invite you to the party and you sit alone feeling very low and hopeless. The synonym of bespoke is tailored. English meaning is custom made, made to order. उर्दू मीनिंग ख़ास तौर पर बनाया गया, मुतनासिब, ऑर्डर के मुताबिक. टू मेमोराइज अ मैन wants a suit. He does not want it from a shop. He goes to a tailor. The tailor makes a suit only for him. It's bespoke. To memorize vocabulary more effectively, try linking words to something fun and familiar from your surroundings. Your brain remembers connections much better than isolated meanings. For example, take the word enigma, meaning a mystery. You can relate it to drama like Muamma, where characters and situations feel confusing or hard to understand. That sense of mystery makes the word stick. Similarly, the word kajol, which means persuade gently, can be remembered through the actress Kajol. Picture that iconic scene from Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, where Raj is trying to win over Simran's father, softly convincing, almost cajoling him. That image locks the meaning in your mind. So instead of memorizing words mechanically, start building these small, fun associations. The more personal and visual they are, the easier it becomes to recall them during the exam. Hope this made words easier. More coming your way. Follow along.